So Dick and Alan out working the pheasant field. We got 2 already. Get him up, get him up.
Get him up, girl.
Good girl. Good girl.
Let's go. That's it. Let's go. Yeah. Go.
Move up, Alan.
Go.
Keep coming forward.
Yeah.
We're pivoting here.
Okay. I'm like the dog magnet. Come on. Let's go.
He's a dog whisperer.
Come on.
Come on, Dakota. 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 Come here.
Come on, Sammy. Find a
Come here,
bird.
Dakota. Come here.
Find a
Get
bird.
him up. Come on. Get
Find
him
a
up.
bird, girl.
Get the birds.
Find a bird, girl.
Get the birds. Get the birds.
Find a bird.
Come on. Get the bird. Get the bird. Get the bird.
Get ready, this thing's right in front of you.
Come here, Dakota. Come here, Dakota. Oh, there's one. Come here, Dakota. Dakota, come here. Come here, girl. Come here, Dakota. Come here, girl. Come here. Dakota. 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 Dakota.
Thank you.
Dakota, come. Come on. Let's go.
Come on, Dakota.
Come on. Dakota. Dakota, come. Dakota.
Get the bird.
Dakota. Come here. Dakota, come. Dakota, come. Get the bird. Hey, hey. Let's go. Hey. Get the bird. Good girl. Come on. Dakota, come. Dakota, come. You already brought it once.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, look. Sit. 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 Look at that. Yeah. Good girl.
There you go.